Hey friends, this is Atif here, Val, and welcome to the new update on Vechain. For the past several days, Vechain is moving inside this long down channel. By the way, during this move to the downside, recently we found this uptrend line support and we have broken it down. And after the breakdown, the price and bounced from the support of the channel and tried to break out this previous support as a resistance, but got rejected. And now, recently, you can see that after breaking down this long-term support of 3.5 cents, it is again moved above this support and moving towards the resistance of this channel, still moving between the resistance of the channel and the support. You can see it is almost moving at the center of this channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from a very big falling wedge pattern. On this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that it was moving inside this big wedge. And after the breakout, we had a nice rally. By the way, from this low to this high, so far, Vechain has rallied more than 317%, but could not break out this long-term resistance that is at 5.2 cents. That was previously breaking as a support here, and now it is flipped into a resistance. And for the past several weeks, the price line has been rejected and formed this down channel. And at the same time, it has also broken out a very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And now this cloud can work as a support. And in today's video, we will also analyze at a very big hidden bullish divergence signal that is flashed on the 7 days time frame chart as the price line formed this low here and it is forming the next low higher than the previous one. But at the same time, you can see that stochastic formed this low here and now it is about to enter the oversold zone and it is forming next low lower than the previous one. This is a very massive hidden bullish divergence signal. That is a signal for the price reversal, and we will also analyze this signal as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, you just need to click on the link for the trade signal. For example, this is the trade signal for Ronin. You just need to click and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 1st of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see that first it read the sell target zone here and dropped down again. And then we had a bigger pump. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Vechain. And first of all, let me to take you to the daily time frame chart. And here, previously, we have been following this down channel. And I've been telling you that once it will be able to break it out, then it can also break out this long-term resistance of 3.5 cents because the target was here at the top of the channel at approximately 3.86 cents. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target, but recently got stuck inside in another longer down channel. And now recently we had broken down this uptrend line support and moving to the downside and still moving inside this channel between the resistance and support at the center of the channel. But the good thing over here is that previously we broke down this long-term support of 3.5 cents and now we are moved above this support. Therefore, there is a probability that after a retest of this support, because it was breaking at the resistance after the breakdown, now after a retest, it can move to the outside to make another attempt to break out the resistance of this down channel. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then in case of breaking down the support of this down channel, the target to the downside can be here at this support of 2.3 cents. That is, by the way, a quite long-term support zone that starts from 2.66 cents and goes to 2.3 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 5.4 cents. And in that situation, we can also break out this long-term resistance of 5.2 cents as well. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then first let me to show you this support level. And then we can see that this is a very long-term support zone that has been previously breaking as a resistance on here, supports on here, supports on here, and resistance here, and support here. And here it has been again working as a support. And now for the past several weeks, it is working as support. You can see that after the breakout, we retested the previous resistance zone as a support zone and geared up. And if the price then will be moved here again at this support zone that starts from 2.66 cents and goes to 2.3 cents, and again it can work as a very strong support zone. And in case of breaking out the next resistance, because if the price then breaks out this channel, then it can also break out this long-term resistance of 5.2 cents as well. Then the next major resistance will be here at 8.5 cents. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and support here as well. And by the way, we also have a very massive support here, almost at the same level where we have the support zone that starts from 2.66 cents and goes to 2.3 cents. And this is the support of Ichimoku bearish cloud that was previously working as a resistance, and this time it can work as a very strong support because the cloud is flipped into a bullish cloud, and the bullish cloud works as a very strong support as compared to the bearish cloud. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, because there is also a very huge hidden bullish divergence flash on this chart, and you can see that stochastic has also about to enter the oversold zone as the price line is forming lower, higher low than previous low, and stochastic is forming lower than previous low. This is a price reversal signal, therefore I'm expecting that soon it can start another reversal move to the upside to break out the next resistance levels, and sooner or later it can hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, because we have broken out this multi-year space resistance, and the target for this breakout can be here at the top of the wedge. That can be between 28 cents to 30 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.